Hey, what's up, y'all, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with FoodPRO. Today we're going to focus on two hot trends out there in the market today. Topped potato products and plant-based proteins. We're going to be making a vegetarian chili cheese tot. The star of this month's episode is FoodPRO item number 32335, which is a seashore style potato puff from Lamb Weston. Try and say that fast 3 times. And FoodPRO item number 49225, which is a vegan protein shred from Carry Foods. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to start by making a chili base, is what I'm going to call this. Being it's the vegan plant shreds, they're a little delicate, so I'm not actually going to cook those in this. I'm going to reserve that for later on when it's time to present. So I'm just going to make a base. I'm going to start out with about a cup of onions diced. This is a Vidalia onion because they're in season and they taste really good. They're starting to get a little gold now. I'm going to go add a couple tablespoons of garlic. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oregano and a tablespoon of cumin. And now I'm going to add tomato product. These are stewed tomatoes. I chose these because they have celery, carrots, and onions in them. They are chunks, so I'm just going to kind of squeeze them as I put them in there, kind of break it up. Of course, they'll break down during the cooking process as well. I'll put the juice in there too. And then I'm going to add 5 cups of canned black beans. Got a 1/3 cup of chili powder. And a tablespoon of ground black pepper. And that's going to be our base. And I'm going to let that cook for an hour, just at a simmer. And we'll be done with that phase of the recipe. Alright, now that this has been simmering for an hour, it's starting to look like chili. A nice base here. We're going to add polenta. So what I have here is 2 cups of water and about a 1/2 cup of polenta. Just going to mix this together. This is going to give us a little bit of corn flavor, and it'll also help tighten it up. I'm going to add this mixture to our base, and we'll cook this for another 5 minutes. Alright, so after 5 minutes, got it tightened up a little bit. Set this over to the side. Now we can take our seashore potato puffs, drop those in the fryer, and start our chili topping here. We'll add our vegan protein shreds. That's 4 ounces of those. It's a neat product. As a meatless option, you can use that. Looks almost like chicken. You could do a number of things with it. You could do tacos with it. You could add a little barbecue sauce. I want to hit it with 6 ounces of our chili. And we'll call it 7 ounces. Our potato puffs are done. Healthy portion. Now we're ready to plate. Alright, to plate our dish, we'll take our seashore potato puffs. Top it off with the chili. Hit it with some shredded Monterey cheddar cheese. Spring onions. Sour cream. And we'll garnish it with a little nest of some alfalfa sprouts. And there you have it, folks. Vegetarian chili cheese tots. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.